Mishimelon.
They say there's going to be rain with fruits and toys. Let's catch them! Pineapple, water, building block, ring stacker, watermelon, ring stackered, apple, ring stackered, apple, building blocks, apple, building blocks, ball, pineapple, apple, watermelon, building blocks, ball, watermelon. You're doing great! Fruity Patootie gave you a task. Let's find some fruits. That's not so hard, is it? Great job! There are strawberries hidden here. Can you find them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect! Something does not belong in this row. Find the item that does not belong. Great! Can you do it again? Find the item that does not belong. Awesome! And the one last one. Find the item that does not belong. Amazing job! Our friends are coming over for a party! Let's get some fruits. First, let's get a juicy watermelon. Good going! How about some fresh apples? That's right! Also, some sweet cherries. Hooray! Our party will be awesome! The fruits have fallen from their spots. Move the fruits to their right spots. Well done! Oh, look, there's more! Woohoo! Just one more! Splendid!
Wow!
Uh-oh! It looks like the picture is broken into pieces. Solve the puzzle. So, it's a purple grape. Great job! Can you do it again? Solve the puzzle. Oh, it's a red cherry. And the one last one, solve the puzzle. You're doing great! I'd love to have some freshly squeezed juice. First, let's get a juicy watermelon. Wonderful! Now I'd like to have some grapes. You did it! Keep it up! And finally, let's find a banana. Nicely done! Thanks for helping me out! My My grandma asked me to get some fruits and make some jam. First, I need some cherries. Well done! Now I'd like to have some grapes. You're doing well. And finally, let's find a banana. You got it. Thank you so much.
Oh, Kitty, you are a good teacher.
I feel like having a sweet cocktail. Let's see if we have all the ingredients. First, we need an orange. Yahoo! Tap on the pineapple. Great! Can you find the kiwi? Amazing! How about a fresh, yummy smoothie? We need an orange. Where is its second half? Fine, great! How about a watermelon? Put the watermelon together. Wow! Oh, we need a banana as well. Put the second half of the banana to get a banana. Oh, here it is. You did so well. Thank you. Wow! Oranges! Let's find them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You have found them all. I need your help in sorting all the fruits into baskets of the right size. Let's start with the apples. Now let's do the same with the oranges. Now the kiwis. Thank you so much for your help, my friend. Good going. Bimmy is making a smoothie. This is a banana. The banana is peeled. This is an apple. The apple is crunchy. This is an orange. The orange is juicy. This is a lemon. The lemon is sour. This is a pineapple. The pineapple is prickly. Bimmy loves smoothies. Something does not belong in the strawberry fields. Find the item that does not belong. Awesome! Can you do it again? Find the item that does not belong. Amazing! And the one last one. Find the item. Very well done, my friend. This big orange looks different. Tap on all the small oranges to make a big orange. Wow, that looks amazing.
Oh, it is amazing. Wow.
We need to color the table and we need to figure out the fruits. Let's start with the orange. Move the orange to its right spot. Great job! And now the pineapple. Wow, you did great! Now the strawberry. Yay! You're all done. Thank you for your help.